Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to customize always on display on any Vivo phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. From here, just scroll down and tap on home screen, lock screen and wallpaper. From here, just tap on always on display. Now just make sure you enable always on display. Now just tap on AOD styles. From here, you can change the always on display style as you like. You can select any of the static always on display styles on your smartphone. And also you can select an animated always on display style. Just like that. And once you select the always on display style you like, just tap on apply. Now from here, if you lock your smartphone, you can see that we have successfully customized the always on display on our smartphone. And this is how you can customize always on display on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.